know what time it is.
Kicked off my shoes, dashed it in the ring. My jacket is a cape, and my brother has a cane. The richest man rocks the snatchless necklace. Spineless bitches and backless dresses.
Hi everybody, my name is Natalie and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be filming a shoe collection, which sounds kind of weird now that I'm saying it out loud. I don't know, I just love watching these videos. Maybe that's just me. Well, it's definitely not just me because there's a lot of foot fetishists. Yeah, but whatever. Could you not, like 30 minutes ago, I was laying right here crying my ass out because I was just having a really bad day, but that's not the point. And then I got a call that my package is here. I got some new shoes. They are from the brand Vivaia. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but this is how you spell it. This is how it looks. They have so many cute shoes. Plus, they are actually sustainable. They recycle plastic bottles and using a 3D technology, they like transform them into thread and then they make the shoes out of them. I don't really understand the whole process, but it's super cool. So yeah, they were so nice to send me not one, not two, but 3 pairs. So we're gonna open it. Oh my god. Right now together. This is how the shoe box looks. It says step into conscious comfort, stylish and sustainable. And then right here in the front it says made from recycled materials. Anyways, let's open this. Ooh, so pretty. Oh my god, wait! It says it right here. It says, thank you for helping our ocean and recycling more than 6 plastic water bottles, preventing them from breaking into millions of microplastics and harming marine life. And here you have it, 1 shoe equals 6 recycled water bottles. So yeah, that makes me feel really, really good. Oh my god! I know this shoe doesn't look crazy at all, but I just really needed a new pair of basic black ballet flats because the ones that I have just make my feet hurt so much. So yeah, I got just like a basic pair of ballet flats. This is how they look on. They're actually really comfortable. The only thing that I'm not sure about is the pointy toe. Like I think I would rather have these in the round toe, but whatever, they are perfect. The material is also very like comfortable and the sole is very squishy. So I really don't think they will hurt my feet. So that's amazing. Oh, what? Guys, okay, this is so cute. They kind of match with my bed. Guys, this is so cool. You can exchange the bows. See, it comes with 2 different styles. Here's like a velvet one, and then this is like a same material as the shoe. This is again how they look on. Super cute. I love them. So comfortable. So, yeah. Wait, we're gonna react together. Oh my god! Okay, so like this is the bow and it has this little clip and you basically just like slide it onto the shoe. So like if you want a bow you can just slide it on there, and if you don't, how cool is that? Wow. Okay, so this is how they look. Again, I would probably prefer them in the rounded toe, and they do have them on the website, but they just didn't have it in my size, so I needed to get the pointy ones. But other than that, they are so pretty. Thank you, Vivaia, for sending it to me because I'm gonna wear the hell out of them. So yeah, anyways, make sure to check them out. The link is in the bio. And without further ado, let's jump right into the shoe collection.
Okay, so first, I'm just gonna quickly show you this pair of flat shoes. These are actually my only pair of ballet flats that I own, you know, before I got the Vivaia ones. But yeah, these were my only ones, and yeah, they are super cute. Okay, the next category is boots, and we're gonna start off strong with my favorite pair of boots, which are of course my platform Doc Martens. I actually got these this year on Christmas from my boyfriend, and I literally wear them every single day ever since I got them. I love these. I literally have nothing else to say about them. Then we have the classic pair of Doc Martens, which are not on the platform. I got these like 2 years ago, I think, and these were again like my most worn pair of shoes before I got the platform ones. I usually wear these now when I go on a walk, you know, because I don't mind that much if I get them dirty. So yeah, but they are still super comfortable and super good shoe to have. The next pair is this pair from ASOS. I got these like 3 years ago, I think, and I don't wear them that much, I have to say. I think I only wore them like 5 to 10 times, and I was debating on selling them, but I just never, I don't know, I just never bring myself to, because I still really love them. I don't know, let me know if I should sell them or not. Okay, so then we have these black ones, which I know are very similar to the ones that I showed you before, but these are kind of like a more casual version of them, because you know, they're not as shiny as the ones before. They also have the round toe, which I kind of prefer, and they also have a little platform, which makes them a little bit more comfortable to walk in. But yeah, I don't wear these at all. Let me know again what you think about them, and I might sell them, but yeah, I don't know. Okay, this is another pair which I don't wear that much anymore, but yeah, these are kind of like my only pair of rain boots. I love the little red detailing, like I love it. However, it did break a couple of times, like it just didn't stick to the shoe, and I got it fixed like a lot of times, but yeah, the last time I just got sick of it, so yeah, that's why it's not fixed. But yeah, they are actually from Ralph Lauren, but yeah, I wore the hell out of them, so yeah, I still really like them a lot. Okay, so that was all of my booties, and now we're gonna get into my favorite category, which is knee-high boots. First off, we have these white creamy ones, which I got in Stradivarius, and I got them on sale for $20, and I absolutely love these. I feel like white knee-high boots make everything look good, so I definitely consider them as like a staple in my closet. However, I do have to admit that I only wore these out once since the time I got them, but I didn't get them like too long ago, so I think it's still okay. So yeah. Okay, this next pair on the other hand, I wore so much. Like, I got them actually off of a Instagram ad, which I don't know if I recommend, because when they came, they did smell kind of like Chinese plastic. But other than that, they are, you know, as I said, I wore them a lot and they still look good as new. However, I can't tell you the brand, because the brand is actually no longer existing, because they're probably just closed down or something. So yeah, I just got them off of Instagram, and that's about that. Okay, this next pair of knee-high boots I actually got after my grandma, because she just didn't wear them a lot anymore, so she gave them to me, and I just absolutely love them, because just look at the beautiful suede brown material and the wooden heel. So yeah, they are kind of like vintage, because they're after my grandma, you know. So that's so nice, and I love these. Okay, then this next pair is actually again after my grandma, and can we just take a moment to appreciate these? They are Marc Jacobs fur moon boots. Like, who has that? I do not understand. They are just so cool, and I'm pretty sure we had these. Yeah, I just remember always having these, so I'm pretty sure they're vintage as well. I have to admit, I didn't wear these yet, but yeah, I absolutely love these. They just make me, again, feel super comfortable and super warm. Okay, then this last pair of shoes are actually after my mom, and again, I feel like these are definitely vintage, because yeah, we had these for the longest time, and just by the like cut of the shoe, you can tell, because you know, it has the square toe, square heel, they are made from real leather, and yeah, they're dark brown, so I feel like this just screams vintage, but I don't know, I might be wrong. And I also love how short these are. Like, these are the shortest knee-high boots that I own, which makes them super unique, I think. So yeah, I really love these. Okay, moving on to my probably most worn category, which is all my sneakers, and we're gonna start off with all my Converse. And yeah, these are the first pair. These are also my newest pair of Converse. I absolutely love them. Like, look at the hearts. I feel like they are super cute. They're also on a platform. They're high top, which is my favorite like style of Converse. But yeah, I'm super excited to wear these in the summer, because they are just so cute. Okay, so then we have my black Converse, again high top on the platform, and I have these like blue version. I don't really know how to call them, but like they have like a blue stripe along the platform plus the blue logo. I actually wanted like the classic, you know, black and white Chuck Taylor ones, but they didn't have them when I was in the store, so I just got these. And now I'm like really happy that I got these blue ones, because I just feel like they are a little bit more special than all the other ones. They're pretty amazing. This pair is probably like my most worn shoe ever, if I'm not counting my newest pair of Doc Martens. They're just like a classic platform high top white Converse. It's just, yeah, the perfect shoe for walking around, literally for anything. So yeah, Love these. Okay, these, I absolutely love these shoes. They are, again, after my mom, and I'm pretty sure they are vintage as well because we had them for the longest time. They are from the brand Art. I'm not really familiar with that brand, but just look at the style of the shoe. They have like this square toe and they're pretty chunky as well. Like the red accents and the A on the side, I just feel like they are super, super cool. So yeah, I love these shoes. Okay, so then we have this lilac pair of Nike Air Forces. These used to be my sister's. I didn't buy them for myself, and when she grew out of them, she passed them on to me, and they're actually still pretty big on me. Like, I don't know, I don't wear these that much because they're not really like my style. I still think they're super cute, like I like the color, but yeah, they are definitely not like my most worn shoes. Then we have these, again, they're after my mom. Pretty sure they're vintage as well. They're these like tennis shoes from Wilson. They just remind me of like those dad shoes that are pretty popular lately. And yeah, I love them. You know, they are white pair of sneakers. Like, you can never go wrong with that. And I love them. Then we have these. These are my black and white Nike Air Forces, which I got like 6 years ago. I used to really love these, but now I just don't like them anymore. I feel like the style of them is kind of outdated. So I just wear them when I go on a walk or when I go hiking because, you know, I just don't mind them getting dirty. And as I said, they're still super comfortable, so I just don't want to throw them out yet. Then we have my running shoes. These are them. I love the color. They're perfect for running. I literally had these for like past 4 years. I don't think I'm gonna get rid of them anytime soon because they are super comfortable. And then the last pair of sneakers are my hiking shoes, which I know are not like, you know, fashionable whatsoever, but you know, they are still some shoes that I own, so I thought I would show them. The next category is all of my like heels slash sandals. First pair is this beautiful pair of like daisy kitten heels, and they're from Moschino, which I know, like, how the hell did I get that? They are actually, again, after my mom. Pretty sure they're vintage as well. She actually also has a skirt to go with them and a bag, so I have like a full outfit to go with this. And yeah, I just don't really wear them because, as you can see, they are like one size too big on me, but I will still never throw them out because just look at them. They are a work of art and they just make me really happy, you know, to look at. This is another pair of my mom's heels that I stole from her. They are these snakeskin strappy heels with like a square heel. I absolutely love them. I feel like they're so chic, square toe, you know, I don't know, I feel like they're just so timeless and I love them. I love them so, so much. These were like the first pair of heels that I got for myself when I was like in freshman year of high school. They are so uncomfortable. Like, let me tell you, I can't like wear these for more than an hour because my feet will fall off. So yeah, but I still think they're super cute. Like, I love the sparkleness of them. So yeah, then we have just like a classic pair of black heels. Again, I think I got these like in freshman year of high school, maybe even before that. I don't really like the style of them. I would like the heel to be a little bit skinnier and longer, but whatever, they are what they are. Every girl needs a pair of black heels, so these are mine. Then we have my platform white flip-flops, which I got last year, and I'm so excited to wear them this year as well because that trend is definitely not over. Yeah, they're super comfortable, and yeah, I love these. I feel like they make any outfit more special, so yeah. And then the last pair are these kitten heels, which I got from Stradivarius. I loved how these look. However, again, they are so uncomfortable. Like, I wore them to one event where I was in them like for a couple hours and I had like 8 blisters after that. So yeah, I barely wear these because yeah, they're just super uncomfortable, but I love how they look. So yeah, they are what they are. They're pretty cute.
Okay guys, so that was it. That was all my shoes. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. It helps my channel to grow and it makes me really happy, so I would really appreciate it. Also, if you haven't already, go check out my Instagram and my TikTok. I just post silly videos on there. And also, if you're from Europe, go check out my Vinted. I just sell a lot of my clothes that I need to get rid of, so it's very cheap. So yeah, go check it out. And that is it, guys. I'm gonna let you enjoy the rest of your day or night, I don't know, whatever you're doing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!